Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. So in the front we have outdoor sitting area. Here you can see here the sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall. And on the left side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also dining counter with 4 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the right side we have bedroom. Here you can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have powder room arrangement attached with this room. You can see here the water closet and the ventilator for ventilation of this powder room. If we go on the right side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.